Okay, Táim bheo. Bhí mé ag smíonú an teideal an leabhais ag an Dr. Owen Lenihan. Bhí mé ag smíonú an páirt seo ar Asian agus bhí cuma mí cheart mar is Asian le é agus á an leagan ginedeach an ocail éire ach cén fách an leagan ginedeach ar lárig an níomh ocail air. Well, tuigim go dé, okay, an chéad rud a léirú. Thóg mé an astrú seo as Google Translate. Quick and easy, quick and lazy, okay? Agus tuigim go bhfuil Google Translate ag géirí an orm ginedeach a úsáid nach ar lárig an ainm bréachar ag LOITIMÉID. Ach tá níomhacail idir na dhá páirt agus a níomhacail is an níomhacail atá governing an tisiúil an ocail sin, an ocail seo éireann. Ach, okay, bhí mé ag smíonú nach cén cuma fan báinte. Bhí mé ag smíonú nach an seo. Bhí mé ag smíonú nach ceart éireann le í a bheith an áin. Agus thug mé freagra ar ChatGPT ar éireann le í an form cheart an tóirtheach ar lárig an níomhfacha air agus dúirt sé nach raibh sé. Freagra gearr nó níl ar éireann ní hé an form ceart. Okay. Ní mé in áin astrú gathpáirt what to expect. Cad expecting to in theory. Nuas agam. Tá tú ag smíonú máidiú leis na líne ceart, na líní ceart tógann ar an tóirtheach stairiúil éire go éireann sa tóirtheach in theory, agus éireann. Then it goes on to contradict that. Okay. Sha, tigum. But I was a bit uncertain about that. Okay, then I asked, ag LOITIMÉID ar éireann, correct? Because that's what I had from Google Translate. I was wondering, is there a reason why we're using the genitive here that's hidden from me at this stage because of my ignorance of the language? No, that phrase isn't correct as it stands. So it started to unpack why, and it gave me an agam bhríochar. Is me tá an agam bhríochar ceart, LOITIMÉID ar Éireann versus LOITIMÉID. An agam acal tá an agam is an agam acal ceart. Is an agam acal ceart LOITIMÉID ar Éireann. LOITIMÉID isn't the standard form here. And indeed, I went and looked it up in Focal. No. Folklore. LOITIMÉID is there. Destroyer, butcher. LOITIMÉID doesn't have it. LOITIMÉID. Yeah, destroyer, butcher. And LOITIMÉID ar Éireann. Destructiveness or destruction. LOITIMÉID ar Éireann. Because of the similarity to LOITIMÉID, or the fact it's based on LOITIMÉID, it's sort of on purpose and sort of through ignorance, botching, yeah. Idiots in control, and this is the feeling of vandalizing, like willful destruction, but also ignorance. Okay, so that was that part of it. So you could have like Janu LOITIMÉID if you wanted an exact translation of vandalizing in this moment, but it's a bit clunky. As we discussed, standard modern Irish éireann is not used, only poetic archaic style. But éireann is the normal modern form, but you could have it as ag Janv LOITIMÉID ar éireann, which would be correct, word for word. Ag Janv Damascus, you sort of lose the vandalizing aspect. One more note. LOITIMÉID ar éireann. Yeah, I get this point. Glacham and point shin shaw. Headline. Teideal is teideal. Is teideal leabharish é. It's a book title of a book. Okay, I said it's a book title, Vandalising Ireland, dúirt mé arsan é. Ag LOITIMÉID ar Éireann is wrong because it's the correct form. That's a bit clunky. LOITIMÉID ar Éireann in Ireland, vandalizing in Ireland. But it's not in Ireland, it's not vandalism taking place in Ireland, it's vandalism on the nation, on the Irish nation. So this is the one I'm going to go for as the best translation moving forward. So that was it. Okay, just a quick taffage. Srá, basroch, tapi, on mo chuid géalaige a chhlaachú agus on mo chuid swinmh arint agus mar léirú mar miniu John reason. Yeah, so ni cyfynion. Kahime and teideal a change. Change. Ahru. Kahime and teideal ahru. Lochimid. Okay, yeah, Dutch me and sin ni fedgil in of a my ta and or the about Damasja. Okay, I'm rambling. Okay, Lochimid and what's wrong with Lochimiaracht. I've sort of taught myself how to say Lochimid because that I'm going to be saying this a lot. I may as well grab it with both horns. I have to change that and have to uncode that in my mind. Lochimiaracht. But it also gives me a new noun. Anyamakal no Lochimer, vandalizer, which I think is very telling and very poignant, very useful in the current moment, especially talking about Ireland and the Western world in general. So Irish often refers Éireacht for abstract activity process, not in Slochimearacht, Fermiaracht. It's like Fermiaracht. But when in doubt for something like English, often that's the safer direction. Okay, so not the actual gerund, but the activity, the animal and the activity. Okay, I might have a look at that in my own time now after. So the new title is going to be Lochimerat or Aaron. And that's going to be going in here. Okay. Shinawil.